He has been down twice in his career, once to Piceles, Joy Diaz, and that was in Tagbilaran, November of last year. Apat na pong opponents. This is going to be a good one for the Philippine Championship. Pareho po sila naman from the Johnny Alorde boxing stable. Francisco. Oh, getting struck. Missing with that. Going the right. Very tight guard ang pinapakita Francisco. Right on top of Dalugdog, but Dalugdog never. Right hand scored there by Francisco. Tapos agad bumalik si Dalugdog. Throwing that left hand. Caught the attention of Dalugdog. Right to the body by Francisco. Francisco with the right hand. Dalugdog fighting back. Right jabs in succession. Remember both these. Dalugdog set up Francisco with that right jab. Especially if this is a war of attrition. Squaring off face to face. A roar from the crowd. Sunod-sunod po yung mga jabs ni Dalugdog. Nakatama doon ng magandang once more. Now, an uppercut to the... Francisco scoring with the left hand. And then create the angles. And Dalugdog, he's got to be able to answer. Two left hands by stance. Keeps Dalugdog on the attack. 1-2 combination coming from Francisco. See Dalugdog. Both fighters trading. Oh, nice attack here by Francisco. Big right hand scored there by Francisco to the body. Punches scored here by Francisco. Again to the body. Yun na naman. Beautiful punch with the left hand to the face of Dalugdog. Another left hand to the face of Dalugdog. Dalugdog's guard is going down because of that body attack ni Francisco. Kanya na-expose yung kanyang muka at tinatamaan ngayon siya ni Francisco sa taas. Now Francisco going to the body once more. On the defensive na rito, si Dalugdog is trying to fight back. But he's getting clipped, both upstairs and downstairs. Bumabalik naman si Dalugdog in this round. Nararamdaman na ni Dalugdog yung mga suntok ni Francisco sa katawan. More punches to the body here by Francisco. And that opens up. Dalugdog trying to fight back. Francisco's like a machine. Siyang pasok ng pasok dito. Left hand scored by Francisco. And now, Dalugdog has Francisco pinned along the ropes. Nakatama doon si Dalugdog. Here's Francisco once more on the attack. Dalugdog putting some body weight behind his shots. And cornering Dalugdog might be sealing this round from Francisco. And there he is again. Dalugdog. Parang walang lakas. Here comes Dalugdog. Oh, big punch here scored by Francisco. And Dalugdog is going to get a count. Round 7, Francisco scored a knockdown. Dalugdog taking a count. Called by referee Tomoldan to count the knockdown. Ito na naman si Francisco. Just when we thought that Francisco was running out of steam, there he goes. He's throwing everything he's got at Dalugdog. Dalugdog is fighting back. Remember, bumagsak si Dalugdog. Coming back from that knockdown. Francisco still there, winging away. And there he is once more with a flurry. But Dalugdog comes. Meron naman si Francisco. Coming through, delivering big shots. Francisco doing well to fight off the ropes. Ken. Oh, that's a knockdown. I think this guy is so exhausted. And we notice hindi na siya bumabato.
6, 7, 8,
And he wants to go up.
Kasa.
At sabi niya, okay pa. Okay pa siya. And look at him. He's got his fighting stance back. But Francisco's teeing off. I don't think Dalugdog has enough gas in his tank. Napansin natin dito sa ating pag-umpisa ng round, and that's it, tinigil na. Napansin natin si Dalugdog, hindi na masyadong sumusuntok. Hapong-hapo na siya. It was more of conditioning. And you see Francisco winning this fight. It will end in the 10th round.